If you want more clicks on YouTube, your thumbnail matters more than almost anything else. In this video, I'll show you how to create clickable thumbnails using AI in a few simple steps. Step 1, gather your ideas. A lot of beginners make thumbnails that are too complicated, full of small details, or impossible to understand in 1 second. This makes it hard for viewers to grasp the topic quickly. Keep it simple. When people scroll YouTube, they decide in less than a second whether to click or keep scrolling. Your thumbnail and title must grab their attention instantly to survive the scroll. The first step is choosing one clear idea for your thumbnail. This helps your video stand out and gets more clicks. For example, let's select this simple concept on the screen. See how it focuses the message? Second, keep the text very short. 2 to 4 words usually work best. Third, use one strong visual. A face, an icon, or a simple object works best. Fourth, use strong contrast so your thumbnail stands out immediately. Here's an example. See how the high contrast version pops against the dark background? This grabs attention and drives more clicks. Fifth, make sure your thumbnail supports the title instead of repeating the same words. For example, if the title mentions optimizing, the thumbnail should visually hint at that topic. Now let's use AI to generate the thumbnail image. I've entered a simple prompt into this AI tool. As you can see, the thumbnail is generating in real time, and it's done. After generating the image, adjust the text, colors, and composition. First, select the text tool and resize or reposition the title. Finally, adjust the overall composition for a clean, balanced look. When your thumbnail is simple, clear, and visually strong, people immediately understand what the video is about. For example, this polished thumbnail uses bold text and an expressive face to grab attention instantly. A good thumbnail should be clear in 1 second. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple AI tutorials.